Welcome to Profile Traders FX. This is Reza Dilmagani, and thank you for listening to this market analysis regarding Euro-USD pair. What we are seeing here is that market is in the process of trying to build itself a little bit of a bottom. And it is very clear that the low of the bottom is being contained by 1.2354, and we are now seeing that twice we approached that level, and twice so far market did hold and we tried to bounce off of it. However, the levels of the bounces are becoming very anemic, with little energy or drive behind them to be able to push further up and follow through to the upside. As a result, we are back now into the same undecided trading range market as we have seen for the last several sessions. As you can see, the session of 1105, which is this one, is dominating the range, meaning that the low of that session, which is more or less 1.2354, is what's containing the bottom of this trading range, and the high of the session is dominating the upper part of the trading range. And right now price is pretty much at the middle of the trading range, going from 1.2524 down to 1.354. Whenever you find yourself in a middle of a rotation, as it is right here, your best bet is to wait for market to retest the low of the rotation. If the low of the rotation holds, then on the way up you can jump back on the long side using the bottom of the rotation as your stop placement. Therefore now our buy support zone goes from 1.2354 to 1.2384. What we will wait for is for price to enter that zone, show us that it holds the zone, and then on the way up out of 1.2384 take a long using the low that we will have at 1.354 as a stop, and our target will become the other side of the rotation. Same thing above. If market or price enters 1.2524 and it cannot break on the upside and rejects back below 1.2524, this could become a short using the point of control out there, the blue line above it, as stop, and targeting the other side of the rotation, which will be 1.2384. This rotation inside these two parameters will continue until market will decide to break one way or another. Now let's not forget that the move on the way down is so extended now that it is very possible that once they're gonna try to break for a new low below 1.2354, that attempt will fail. However, on the way up there is more possibility and chance for a break to the upside, even if it's gonna be for a dead cat bounce or an oversold rally. On the upside, what we should target, if we can break out of this consolidation successfully, meaning that we exit from 1.2524 and secondly out of 1.2555, I have two targets up there. One is at 1.2650 and the other one is the naked POC up there at 1.2740. So monitor very much so what's going on within this trading range, but market will churn and rotate until one of these two sides exit, and the exit of either side should be very decisive without hesitation in order to assess that the break out of this consolidation has leg and it is going to be for real. This is Reza again with Profile Traders FX. Thank you for listening.